Hey guys, this is what is Langchain. So guys, watch till the end in order for you to understand deeper what is the meaning of this. So I made this table over here so we can understand more. So guys, what is Langchain? So guys, it is a framework for building application and it is powered by large language model. So it is like an open AI GPT. So it helps developers integrate LLMs into workflows, tools, or custom application. So guys, Langchain is important because it simplifies creating advanced AI application by combining the LLM with external data sources, API, or databases for more tailored and dynamic responses. And what to know about Langchain, guys, that it supports features like question answering, chatbots, and summarization. So it pretty much like an AI, and also it can integrate with external tools like search engine or knowledge bases. So guys, the Langchain is made and it is designed for Python and JavaScript developers. And when it comes to the additional info, guys, Langchain is a popular for building AI application that requires combining language model with real-time or external data. So guys, it enable more intelligent and interactive solution, and pretty much it help the Python and JavaScript developers build more AI application. There you go. See ya.